Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello there, our viewers. Okay, so next video will be equation of tangents. We are still on the week number 5, which is application of differentiation. So now the equation of tangent. So when we talk about equation of tangent, so number one, you have to understand equation of tangent lies is actually a straight line. Bila kita kata straight line, the equation definitely y equal to mx plus c. Okay, y equal to mx plus c. Right? So, if you want to know more details about equation of tangent, you boleh tengok dalam slide saya. Tapi over here I just explain on how to find the equation of tangent for a curve. So definitely first we need to revise the method of finding the equation of line. Dah mention tadi, usually for tangent ni memang a straight line. Okay, which is you kena cari y, kena cari x, which is usually given. But the most important is to find the m. Apa m ni? Apa relation between m, which is the gradient, with the equation of tangent? Tadi kita dah cakap yang y equal to mx plus c is the equation of tangent. So there is an m. Okay, so tangent equation y equal to mx plus c. I dah mention usually y and also x usually given in the question. Your job is to find your m. How to get the m? M actually you differentiate the equation of the curve. Okay, so as a summary, y equal to equation of tangent is y equal to m I replace with dy over dx times x plus c, which is your dy over dx, you differentiate the equation of the curve. Okay, usually equation of curve given, and then you just simply differentiate the equation and then identify the value of your x, baru you dapatkan dia punya value of the gradient. Okay, now I choose this example, exercise 16.08 as an example. Okay, as I mentioned tadi, m for tangent or gradient of tangent equal to dy over dx. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's solve this equation number 6 from 16.08. So what is the gradient of tangent? So they ask you to find the gradient, so no need to identify the equation. Okay, enough is you dapatkan your m. Okay, so ada cakap tadi m of tangent equal to dy over dx, where you differentiate the equation of y over there, which is differentiate sin ax minus cos of bx. Okay, dan dia kata where a and b are constant at the point where x equal to pi over 2. Okay, so a and b over here is a constant. A and b is a constant. So what we can do here is, right, differentiate lah. Okay, after that baru kita substitute the value of x into our x. Alright, so differentiate sign is cos. Copy semula function inside the bracket, and then don't forget to multiply by differentiate ax, minus differentiate cos is negative sign. Copy semula function, don't forget to multiply with differentiate the function. Okay, now simplify further. So cos, kita dah siap differentiate the trigo, so just simply copy the cos ax differentiate ax. Remember, a is a constant, so you focus on differentiate of x. Differentiate of x is 1, so a multiplied by 1 is a, plus sine of bx. Sine of bx, differentiate of bx is a b. Kenapa b? Because b is a constant. Differentiate x, x is 1, differentiate x is 1, so 1 multiply b is a b. So therefore, you akan dapat sini ialah, usually kita letakkan constant in front of the triangle. So a cos ax plus b sin bx. Okay, now substitute the x equal to pi over 2. What is m? So a cos a pi over 2 plus b sin b multiplied with pi over 2. That's it. Okay, it's very simple. Usually dia tanya for equation of tangent, tapi for this question they ask only the gradient, so no need to find the equation, which is y equal to mx plus c. Alright, moving on. Question number 7. Write the equation of tangent to each of the curve at the given point. But I choose for question A as an example. You solve for the rest of the question lah. Okay, for A. Alright, so write the equation of tangent. Remember, equation of tangent here. Okay, equation of tangent, kita tahu tadi y equal to mx plus c. Okay, now m dahulu, kita dapatkan m. M equal to y prime. Y prime ini differentiate the function given, so y prime is 2x minus 4. Okay, at point 2, 3, so y prime become 2 times 2 minus 4, which is 4 minus 4, which is 0. Therefore, m equal to 0. Okay, how about the equation? So now, substitute m equal to 0 and point 2, 3 into y equal to mx plus c. So substitute 3 equal to 2 times 0 plus c, so therefore c equal to 3. So therefore y equal to 3 is the equation of tangent. Okay, kenapa dapat 3? Because you know your m is equal to 0, so 0 multiplied with x is 0, so therefore y equal to c. So substitute y with 3, so therefore c equal to 3. So sebab tu kita dapat equation y equal to 3. Okay, you can try the rest of the question later. I wanted to proceed to the next example, which is number 8. What is the equation of tangent to the curve which is y equal to x plus 2 over x minus 1 at the coordinate of 0 to negative 2. So in order to solve this one, definitely we know equation of tangent y equal to mx plus c. So m equal to y prime equal to dy over dx lah. Okay, so since this is a fraction of two functions, fraction of two functions. So remember in the chapter week number 3, kita belajar tentang quotient rule. Okay, so kita gunakan quotient rule. So by using quotient rule, dy over dx equal to u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. Okay, where our u equal to x plus 2, differentiate u sebab kita nak dapatkan u prime, right? So differentiate become 1. V equal to x minus 1, so v prime equal to 1 also. Substitute, therefore your m equal to dy over dx equal to 1 multiply x minus 1 minus 1 times x plus 2. You just follow whatever formula given. Substitute saja value yang you dah dapatkan tadi into the formula of quotient rule, and then divide by x minus 1 squared. So simplify further because you can simply expand over there. You akan dapat kat sini ialah negative 3 over x minus 1 squared. Okay, so apa nak buat dengan m ni? Okay, so kena dapatkanlah value m ni. So at 0, negative 2, m equal to negative 3 divided by 0 minus 1 squared. So the coordinate, sorry, the m value is equal to negative 3 lah. Tapi belum habis ya, ni baru gradient of the tangent. So what is our next step? Next step is kita kena dapatkan formula. Substitute m equal to negative 3 and point apa? Point of 0, negative 2 into y equal to mx plus c. So substitute negative 2 equal to negative 3 multiply with x. X is 0 plus c. So we dapat c equal to negative 2. So therefore y equal to negative 3x minus 2 is the equation of tangent. That's the answer. Okay, moving on. Write the equation of tangent to the curve y equal to tangent x at point 0, 0. Okay, the same thing. Find your equation of tangent, which is y equal to mx plus c, where your m equal to y prime equal to differentiate of tangent. Differentiate tangent based on this table. Differentiate tangent is secant squared x. So kita dapat sini secant squared x. So kena dapatkan value m. So at point 0, 0, m equal to secant squared 0. Unfortunately, calculator tak boleh tekan secant, tak ada function secant. Okay, so apa kita buat? Ada satu for properties secant of x equal to 1 over cos x. So kita substitute lah. 1 over cos 0 multiply dengan 1 over cos 0. Yang ini baru boleh press calculator. Masukkan function 1 over cos, substitute your x dengan 0. So you akan dapat sini ialah 1 times 1. So function equal to 1. So m equal to 1. Okay, so now your punya gradient equal to 1. Okay, so next step is substitute m equal to 1 and point 0, 0 into y equal to mx plus c, where y0, your m tadi kita tahu 1, multiply by 0 plus c, so c equal to 0. So therefore the equation of tangent is y equal to 1x or y equal to x is the equation of tangent. Sound simple? Alright, so therefore please try the rest of the question. Okay, let me know if you have any question. Okay, so see you on the next video. Thank you.